I'm Sue Walker, and I'm going to show you a meatloaf with oatmeal recipe. You will need a large bowl, measuring cups, measuring spoons, cooking spray, and a 4.5 by 9-inch loaf pan. The ingredients are 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 1 cup of oatmeal, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 cup of chopped onion, 2 eggs slightly beaten, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Mix the oatmeal and the milk together and let sit for 5 minutes. Add the eggs, onion, seasonings, and the ground beef. Mix thoroughly. Spray the loaf pan with the cooking spray. Pour the meatloaf mix into the pan and form it into a firm loaf with your hands. Pour the tomato sauce over the meatloaf. Place in the oven and bake for 1 hour. And that's a meatloaf with oatmeal recipe.